Hello, this is Rich at Lazy Days RV. Phone number is 503-880-3723. Showing the Wildwood Extra Light Platinum by Forest River. There's the stock number if you're interested. It does come with dual tanks, electric jack, or electric tongue. Also has jacks there for stabilizing. Has the very sturdy steps. Fiberglass platinum package. 19DBXL is the model number. There's the lighted awning there. And outdoor kitchen. Outdoor shower. Super nice quality travel trailer. Pass-through storage in there. This does have the queen bed there. Also folds up to be a sofa. Storage on both sides. Storage across the top. Nice counters. Nice sink area. Stove. Oven over there. Nice. Very nice window treatments. Nice blinds. This one's equipped with solar. Bunk beds back there or lots of storage. Nice refrigerator. And sink area. And the bathroom and shower. Well, if you like this one, come see Rich Stifle, Lazy Days RV, 503-880-3723. Thank you.